Hi, this is Gavin from On Spot Repair. I know that we're in the middle of winter, so we're talking about helping you get your long tractor ready for spring. So this is what you have to do, okay? To ensure that your battery don't drain dead, you should really remove the positive terminal from the battery. Therefore, it won't drain the battery down to nothing, okay? But anyhow, before you start the season, you always have to charge your battery full, okay, before you cranking your engine. The reason why is that if your battery is half or have just enough current to crank the motor, it will cause a huge amount of drain of amperage into your starter. It'll cause burn and it will damage the battery. So this is a must do, okay, before the swing crank start up your lawnmower tractor. You have to charge up your battery full. Thank you for watching. I hope this will help you.